What's up guys, your boy Big A here coming at you with another video. I hope you are having a wonderful Memorial Day with your family. In today's video, I'm going to show you two awesome Hot Wheel ID drift cars that I picked up. I hope you guys like them. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. The first one up is this 1995 Mazda RX7 drift car. So here it is. Guys, I took the liberty of cracking it open. So as you can see, it comes in a very cool aqua blue color. I'm really digging the purple decals all around. I guess you could call them zebra decals because, you know, there's stripes. It's got a nice white interior. It's got a light tinted windows all around. Very cool. And here it says HW Drift Team. Very cool. Check out the details on the back. This car is sweet, guys. Check out that aero lift there. Very cool. Check out the detail on the front. Very nice. Like the detail on the wheels as well. As you can see, the decals on the tire match the purple decals on the body. So very cool. And check out the purple chassis. Really cool. Highly recommended, guys. If you see it, do not let it go. Pick it up and run with it. Very awesome. Alright guys, the next one up is this awesome Nissan Silvia S14 drift car. So I cracked it open as well. I could not wait. So as you can see, this comes in a very nice hot pink color. This car is beautiful. It's got some green windows all around. Check that out. It's got a chrome interior. Very cool. Check out the decals on the front there. Wow. This car is freaking phenomenal, guys. I'm still stoked that I found it because you know that the Nissans are the first ones to go. I mean, the Mazdas are pretty popular too, but the Nissans are more popular, so I'm glad I found it. Check out the decals on the tire. They match the green zebra decals on the body itself. It has some green decals on the aero lift. Check out the detail on the back. Very cool. Alright guys, so decided to keep it short and sweet, you know, being that it's Memorial Day. I hope you guys have a great time in company of your loved ones. You guys take care, God bless, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.